Okay, time to take a look at the DURATECH 16-piece Universal Impact Shallow Socket Set. Okay. So that is very nice. I really like this foam insert, so we can just take this whole thing and throw it right in the toolbox. It's going to look real good, and it's going to have a spot for every single socket. Now, this is probably the most useful style of socket that there is on the planet. And the reason for that, because this thing can swivel, means you can put it in other areas where those sockets won't fit. But also because this thing is shallow, that means you're going to be able to put this in places where you can't put other swivel sockets. You can get a swivel adapter, but that is going to increase the length because you're going to have a spot for this, you're going to have a spot for the adapter, and you got to have a spot for the impact tool. So tight clearance, impact grade, 6-point heavy-duty shallow socket. This is fantastic. We can see that it is labeled 19mm. It has a blue stripe on it, so we know it belongs in this set. It is 3/8 drive. These are all 3/8 drive, which to me is just going to add to the tight areas you can actually fit this thing in. They're all 6-point. You can also see if you look in the corner, they are drilled out, so that's going to be good for off-corner loading. So that's going to be great to make sure you're not rounding off nuts and bolts. And we can also see that this thing doesn't just fall. Wherever you put it, it's going to stay there, so if you need to take something, you need to put it in a tight area, it will hold itself until you get it locked in. So this is genuinely a very nice set. So we got 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24. So the only skip is a 23. I've never really used a 23, so that doesn't matter to me. So this is an extremely complete set, 8mm up to 24mm in 3/8 drive. That is incredible. I don't think I could say enough how great this set is. So here we got our 8 and our 24, and we can see that the bottom is the exact same size. It has a nice thick wall on there, so we don't have to worry about, even if we got a really heavy duty 3/8 impact gun, we don't have to worry about blowing out that wall. We can see, if we look through there, that does have an opening all the way through. So if we want to, we can use that with a pin and ring. So if you got an anvil that will accept that, we can put that on. We don't have to worry about that thing ever falling off. Getting to weird areas like that, there's just nothing like it. So yeah, that is a beautiful set of sockets. I am very happy to have that.